I'm done with your fucking ass. I'm done with your fucking ass. You're going to the fucking cliff. like that is stupid. Hello? Samantha!
Hey.
All the work I do to keep you here and you're gonna fucking say something like that? Why? What would Mom think if she heard you say that? Hey! Give me this! Do you want to go to fucking... Do you want to go to rehab for depression? Hello?